Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we'll be discussing the most important current affairs of the March books and authors. The video is very good and very important, so do watch the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So let's start with our video, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book, PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here that we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. Next book is Karunanidhi Al-Life. This book, Karunanidhi Al-Life, has been authored by A.S. Paneer Selvanji. Alright, so if we look at it, readers, editors at the Hindu, A.S. Paneer Selvanji, who authored a new book titled Karunanidhi Al-Life, a book about the 8-decade political career of Muthuvel Karunanidhi. The foreword of the book was written by N. Ram, former editor in the chief of the Hindu. The book was published by the Penguin Viking. This is the publication house, important, Penguin Viking. Alright, if we talk about the book is about Karunanidhi. He is the writer who turned politician who served as the chief minister of Tamil Nadu for the term of 5 terms. Alright, this is important. This name can also be asked, like it is based on the Karunanidhi who was the writer who turned politician, and he has served as the chief minister of Tamil Nadu for 5 terms continuously. Alright, so 3 things that you need to remember. A.S. Paneer Selvanji, who is the author of the book. Name of the book is Karunanidhi Al-Life, and this book has been published by Penguin Viking. Alright, also then remember the author of the book has taken reference from whom about the life of Karunanidhi, all right, who was served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 5 terms. Moving on to next. Next is My Life in Full, Work, Family and Our Future. This book has been authored by Indra Nooyi ji. Alright, remember Indra Nooyi is a Padma Bhushan awardee. Alright, that is the reason this book becomes important. Padma Bhushan awardee Indra Nooyi, she is the former CEO of PepsiCo also, and she is set to publish her book My Life in Full, Work, Family and Our Future. Alright, this is important. And this book will be published by Portfolio Books. So four things to remember actually from this book. That is Indra Nooyi, who is the Padma Bhushan awardee. Then she is a former CEO of PepsiCo. The name of the book is My Life in Full, Work, Family and Our Future. And next thing you need to remember the publishing house, that is Portfolio Books. Alright, so this is the book written by Indra Nooyi. Moving on to next. Next is Dawn Under the Dome. Alright, Dawn Under the Dome. This is a e-book you need to remember. Alright, and this is on the history of Mumbai General Post Office. This book is written by Swati Pandey and Orchida Mukherjee. I repeat, this book is written by Swati Pandey and Orchida Mukherjee. Bhagat Singh Koshyari, who is the governor of Maharashtra, has released this ebook Dawn Under the Dome, as it is on the history of the Mumbai General Post Office building, the Grand Old Heritage Building. The book was authored by Swati Pandey and Orchida Mukherjee. So things to remember in this is the name of the book, that is the Dawn Under the Dome, written by two authors, Swati Pandey and Orchida Mukherjee, and this book was released by whom? By the governor of Maharashtra, that is Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, and this book is related to the history of Mumbai General Post Office. Alright, then moving on to next. Next we'll be talking about a book named Undertow. This book has been authored by Janhavi Barua ji. Alright, then Janhavi Barua ji, author's name, book name is Undertow, and this book is published by Penguin Viking House. Alright, Penguin Viking House is the publishing house. Book name is Undertow and his author is Janhavi Barua ji. Moving on to next book. Next we'll be talking about The Pain-Free Mindset, 7 Steps to Taking Control and Overcoming Chronic Pain. This book has been authored by Dr. Deepak Ravindran ji. Alright, so Dr. Deepak Ravindran ji, who is a pain therapist at the Royal Bascare Hospital at United Kingdom, Dr. Deepak Ravindran ji, he authored the book The Pain-Free Mindset, 7 Steps to Taking Control and Overcoming Chronic Pain. Alright, and this book was published by Vermilion, which is a part of Penguin Publishing House. So Dr. Deepak Ravindran ji published the book, authored the book The Pain-Free Mindset, 7 Steps to Taking Control and Overcoming Chronic Pain, and the publishing house is Vermilion. Alright, next is another you need to know. This is a very important book and can be asked in your exam. Arjun Subramaniam is the author of Full Spectrum. Remember the name, Full Spectrum. This is important. Full Spectrum. Alright, this book Full Spectrum is authored by Arjun Subramaniam, and this is regarding the Indian wars raging from 1972 to 2020. The book name Full Spectrum India Wars 1972 to 2020 is the book authored by retired Air Vice Marshal Arjun Subramaniam ji, or you should say the Dr. Arjun Subramaniam ji, about the war and the conflict in the contemporary India over the past 5 decades, which is published on 8 October 2020 by HarperCollins. Alright, so what is the publishing house? HarperCollins. Book name is Full Spectrum India Wars 1972-2020 and the author's name is Dr. Arjun Subramaniam ji. Next book is Saving Us, a climate scientist case for hope and healing in a divided world. I repeat, Saving Us, the name of the title that you need to remember. It is a climate scientist case for hope and healing in a divided world. This book has been authored by Catherine Hayhoe. Catherine Hayhoe, the present chief scientist at the Nature Conservancy, authored the book Climate Change, titled Saving Us, a Climate Scientist's Case for Hope and Healing in a Divided World. Alright, the book will project the combined perspective of Miss Hayhoe's research and personal stories to provide overwhelming evidence of the climate change. Alright, so basically there is no publishing house. You need to remember Catherine Hayhoe, and the name of the book, that is Saving Us, a Climate Scientist Case for Hope and Healing in a Divided World. Next book is Battle Ready for the 21st Century. This book was edited by two persons that you need to remember, A.K. Singh and Narendra Kumar ji. Battle for the First Century, edited by A.K. Singh and Narendra Kumar. And another thing you need to remember, that this book was released by whom? The Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat ji. Alright, so General Bipin Rawat ji, along with the former Chief of Army Staff, General Deepak, released this book Battle Ready for the 21st Century. Alright, and this book was co-edited by two persons by the name A.K. Singh and Narendra Kumar. Alright, so Chief of Defence General Bipin Rawat ji released this book. The name of the book is Battle Ready for the 21st Century, and this book was co-edited by two persons, A.K. Singh and Narendra Kumar. Next, the name of the book is Escaped. This is the true stories of Indian fugitives in London. Alright, Escaped, the true stories of Indian fugitives in London. And this book is authored by two persons, Danish Khan and Ruhi Khan. Book name Escaped, the true stories of Indian fugitives in London, authored by Danish Khan and Ruhi Khan, was released on 22nd March 2021. The book features 12 high-profile cases where the guilty party has escaped to England. The book was published by Penguin E-Bury Press. The book was presented by S. Hussain Zaidi, an Indian author and former investigative journalist who publishes under the aegis of Blue Salt. So basically, things you need to remember: the name of the book, Escaped, True Stories of Indian Fugitives in London, published by Danish Khan and Ruhi Khan. Alright, and the publishing house is Penguin E-Bury Press. Alright, three things. Next is Names of the Women. This is the book Names of the Women, and this has been authored by Jeet Thile ji. Jeet Thile authored the book by the name Names of the Women, and the publishing house is Penguin Books. Alright, Jeet Thile ji, Names of the Women is the book name, and the publishing house is Penguin Books. Next, the title of the book is 1232, that is 1232 kilometers, The Long Journey Home. This book is authored by Vinod Kapri ji. 1232 kilometers, The Long Journey Home, book by Vinod Kapri ji. Alright, to mark the first anniversary of the lockdown due to COVID-19, the HarperCollins of India published the book of Vinod Kapri by the name 1232 kilometers, The Long Journey Home. This book is published by HarperCollins. So three things: author's name is Vinod Kapri, the book's name is 1232 kilometers, The Long Journey Home, and the publishing house is HarperCollins India. Next, the title of the book is From Incremental to Exponential. I repeat, From Incremental to Exponential. Alright, this is regarding how companies can see the future and rethink innovation. This book is authored by three persons, Alex Salkevar, Ismail Amla, and Vivek Wadhwa. Alright, this book is authored by these three persons. Then the title From Incremental to Exponential, How Large Companies Can See the Future and Rethink Innovation is authored by three persons, Vivek Wadhwa, Ismail Amla, and Alex Salkevar. And remember, this book was published by Barrett Kohler Publisher House. Alright, if we talk about the book rethinks modern innovation. The book explores the opportunity legacy companies to create new markets, supercharge growth, and remake their business by combining the tools and mindsets of startups with benefits of incumbency. Alright, so what are the three things you need to remember here? The name of the book, From Incremental to Exponential. Author are three. They are Vivek Wadhwa, Ismail Amla, and Alex Salkevar. And the publishing house is Barrett Kohler Publisher House. Next, Next is also an important book that you need to remember, Wild and Willful. Wild and Willful. This book has been authored by Neha Sinha. Alright, Neha Sinha, remember this name. Wild and Willful. This book is a tale of 15 iconic Indian species. The new book, authored by wildlife conservative Neha Sinha, is an evocative collection of insights from various disciplines that describes human-animal coexistence. This book is published by HarperCollins. Alright, remember this book is published by HarperCollins. Publisher is HarperCollins. Author is Neha Sinha, and the name of the book is Wild and Willful. Alright, as you can see in the picture, this is the cover of the Wild and Willful. Next we'll be talking about a book that won the Books Critic Award for Fiction category, and the name of the book is Hamnet. This book was authored by Maggie O'Farrells. Alright, this book is important. Various questions will be framed from this book, so let's see. Irish-British novelist Maggie O'Farrell's novel Hamnet. Remember the name, Hamnet. Alright, this book is basically on an imagined take on the death of Shakespeare's son from the bubonic plague. Hamnet is the name of the Shakespeare's son. Alright, and he died from bubonic plague. This book, Hamnet, has won the National Book Critics Circle Award for the 2020 for the fiction category. Alright, National Book Critics Circle Award for 2020 for fiction category is won by Hamnet, and the author of Hamnet is Maggie O'Farrell. Alright, then next thing you need to remember that this award, that is your National Books Critics Circle Award, is given in the United States only in 6 categories, and they are autobiography, biography, criticism, fiction, non-fiction and poetry. Alright, then this novel has also won the United Kingdom's Women Prize for Fiction. United Kingdom's Women Prize for Fiction. So many questions from this particular book. Maggie O'Farrell is the author of Hamnet. Hamnet has won the United Kingdom's Women Prize for Fiction, and also Hamnet has won the National Books Critics Circle Award for the 2020 in the field of, or in the category fiction. Alright, moving on to next. Next, the name of the book is Name, Place, Animal and Thing. We used to play such a game in our childhood, if you remember, Name, Place, Animal and Thing. This book has been authored by Dariba Lindum. Dariba Lindum, and this is her first book, or this is her debut book. Alright, debut means Dariba Lindum has written this first book by the Name, Place, Animal and Thing. Alright, so the name of the author is Dariba Lindum. Book's name is Name, Place, Animal and Things, and this book has been published by Zuban Publishers Private Limited. Alright, so moving on to next and the last and the most important book of this video, and this particular book has higher chance of being asked in your exam. Alright, so the name of the book is I Am Malala, The Story of the Girl. Alright, I Am Malala, The Story of the Girl who stood up for education and was shot by the Taliban. Alright, so now Malala has been received Nobel Prize for Peace earlier. Alright, and the author of this book is herself Malala Yousafzai. Alright, so remember this name, it is very important, and this particular book has higher chance of being asked in your exams. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparations for upcoming government exams. You can use the code Vikas10 to get a straight 10% discount on any purchase you make. Alright, so that's all for the day. Take care.